Hello, I'm George McCranie, personal injury attorney with offices in Valdosta and Douglas, Georgia. Today I want to talk to you about two of the biggest mistakes that can wreck your personal injury case in Georgia. Okay, and this is what we've seen recently with people that come in and talk with us, and I've noticed sort of a trend, and I wanted to talk with you and explain two of the things that can really cause a problem and what you should do to help yourself if you've been in an accident or an injury and had serious injuries. Now, the first thing is we've seen people that just simply don't document the accident at all. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're riding in your car, your wife's with you, you go through a red light, the light's green for you, someone runs the red light, hits you, all right? There's an accident, you're okay, your wife's injured. Okay, so the first thing your instinct to do is to take care of your wife. You call the EMTs, call 911, get somebody there to help her, and that's what you should do, all right? But after the EMTs are taking care of your wife and there's time for you to do it, what you need to do is you need to document the scene of the accident. You need to pull out your smartphone, flip it open, get your, I say flip it open, get your camera out, turn on the video. Now, if you want to take pictures, that's fine, but video would be better. Take the video camera, video the accident, video any skid marks on the road where the person realized they'd run the red light and slammed on brakes, video the vehicles. Talk to the other driver if you can. And it'd be great on video if you got the other driver saying, man, I'm so sorry I hit you. I didn't see the light, until I was under it, that kind of thing. That's great. Talk to the other witnesses that are there, get their names and contact information, and you have them on video saying, man, I was right behind you and I saw that guy run the light. I'm so glad you're all right. I hope your wife's okay. That kind of thing. That's what you're looking for. Get all this information on video because it can really, really, really help your case. And if you don't, it can really be a bad thing. It can hurt you. You can lose witnesses. You could lose evidence of the injuries your wife sustained, of the vehicles. There's a lot of things that can happen. So the first thing you need to do is document the accident and what happened, okay? That will really help, and that's one of the biggest mistakes that we've seen recently is people not doing that, okay? Now, the second thing is people that wait days or weeks, even months, before going to get treatment for the injuries, all right? If you're injured in an accident, it's extremely important to see a doctor as quickly as possible. Okay, you really need to do that. Let me give you an example. It's a personal example. It happened to me when I was about 20 years old. I was in a car. A fella hit me from behind, ran into the back of me in a Mustang, totaled his Mustang. All right, messed up the back of my car. I was, I didn't think I was hurt. I was a little sore. My neck was a little sore, that kind of thing. But really, all I wanted was my car fixed. I'm 20, that's a big thing. Want my car fixed. So that's what happened. The insurance company settled with me. They fixed my car. I thought everything would be fine. My neck was still a little sore, that kind of thing. But I was tough. Wasn't a big deal. Just a little soreness, not going to cause a problem. Didn't want to sue anybody. Didn't think there was a problem. Well, I didn't go to the doctor. All right. Now let's fast forward 30 years. That sore neck that I had back then has cost me thousands of dollars. Okay, thousands of dollars in doctor bills and chiropractic bills, and it's still giving me trouble today. So I should have checked it out. I wasn't even thinking about being a lawyer at the time. All right, I was just a 20-year-old college student. But that's what you're looking at. Don't be like me. Go to the doctor, get checked out. I thought sore neck, no big deal. Be smart, get checked out, and it can help you down the line. Really, it can. Now, remember, the more time that passes after the accident, the harder it is to prove that your injury was caused by that accident. So waiting longer can hurt you. Also, it's harder to prove that your injury was serious enough to justify a compensation claim. All right, so go ahead and go to the doctor. That's one of the big things. So the two big things that you need to do is document the accident, because failing to do so can really hurt you. The second thing is don't wait to go to the doctor. Get checked out. All right, that's the biggest things. I'm George McCranie, personal injury attorney with offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. And if you'd like to contact us, feel free to call us at 833-927-6227, or you can go online to McCranielawfirm.com. And if you'd like to, fill out the form there. I'll send you a free copy of my book about accident cases. Gives you great information. It's called After the Crash. If you'll fill out the form, we'll send that to you absolutely free. I want you to get this information. And the book gives you great information, but here's the thing. Remember, reading a book does not take the place of going and talking with an attorney. So if you've been injured in an accident, workplace or vehicle accident, give an attorney a call that has experience and knows what they're doing, because it can really be important, really help you and your family. All right? Thank you.